And here's the second of 3 videos. In this video, I'll demonstrate Camp Caboodle. It's an app that I made for planning camping gear around going camping, for folks to figure out, hey, who's bringing the tent or who's bringing the canoe or whatever it is that you're bringing on whatever kind of trip you're going to go take. So this just demonstrates that I'm able to do things like figuring out usernames and who is doing what when they interact with the app. And so Scout will log in, and Scout will go ahead and see that they have a list of trips. They've got one called camping. They don't want to be a part of that one anymore. It doesn't sound like that much fun. So they left that trip. And they do want to take a look, though, at the BWCA 2018 trip. They still want to go on that one, and they want to take a look at who else is going. Scout and Kai go ahead back to that trip, but they want to invite their own friend Dylan, and so Dylan wanted to go. They sent him an invitation, but they wanted to now take a look at the gear that they're bringing. So it looks like Scout's going to bring a tent. 99 bananas. That's kind of ridiculous. So they're going to delete that piece of gear, and they want to provide the canoe. They see that Kai is bringing a water filter, 2 of them, so maybe another one wouldn't hurt. Who knows? And maybe they want to add another gear. They're going to bring a pan for cooking, so a cooking pan. They're going to bring one. Items there, and there's the cooking pan. So this app is just demonstrating some more complex code. The aesthetic is a little less refined than the last thing that I showed you, but this just shows that there's some more functionality that apps can do that I can demonstrate. And in the next application, I'll show you some cool drag and drop stuff. It's a little bit more complex code and even less aesthetically pleasing. These are projects that I did in just a couple of weeks, and so starting from scratch. So they took a little longer, so I had less time to spend on the aesthetic and had to really focus on the function. And so I'll just go ahead and show you the next one next.